Idiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50. World Sports Betting, proud sponsor of Idiski TV.
Idiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. Bamenda 0. Kaizer Chiefs won in the CAF Champions League. It was the first leg played in Cameroon. We were fortunate enough to see the match as well. It was shared by Kaizer Chiefs on their YouTube page. So we're happy to do that. And we're actually happy to share the actual game with you on our Facebook Live as well on Idiski TV. We saw a game. Nothing much really in the first half. I will keep on saying that because there were no opportunities created. And Kaizer Chiefs came through via set piece, and then Umanyama finding Matoho isolated in the box, and that was 1-0. But towards the end of the game, there was a big scare because Uitumile Nkune, well, someone considered a penalty. We couldn't even see the slow motion, but someone considered a penalty. Uitumile Nkune saved the penalty for Kaizer Chiefs, and that's why Kaizer Chiefs are 1 and Bamenda 0 instead of 1-1 in the last minute. So you saw the game. There were problems for Kaizer Chiefs in terms of how they played, they build up. Overall, how did you see the game?
I'm disappointed, yes. Kakhulu futhi ayikancane. Yes, I know there's problems, but you try and fix. There's two things Nguleko. I believe me as a coach. Or either you do something good when you've got a ball attacking, or you do something good when you don't have a ball in terms of defending. It Chiefs, you don't see them good having the ball. You don't see them good when they're defending. It's worse when you're going to play with 6 defenders. And when you put 6 defenders, it means you must know how are you going to position them. Because when they play Chiefs, by 6, at some point, 2 players of them, they go to Umutoiwan, and it doesn't make sense. I'm disappointed. The way everything is happening at Chiefs. I remember last season I was crying Uguti I wanna see Ukune playing. I know why. There's players that you can't take away the talent from them. Ukune, he's like this. Ukune, this is a Ukune that we know. Ukune minangmazi Ukune kanje. Ukune, a team can say, you know what, Ukune Magalapa, and I believe Ukuti we safe. Ubonisile today. Today Ukune was the playmaker at Chiefs.
Yeah, that's strange.
And me as Buz Ukuti, maybe I'm watching another game. People babona any game, but mina ngibone Ukune ku playmaker.
Yeah.
Ukune Betty Bola, he was the one passing, not just kicking the ball, passing direct to Nchangas, direct to Gu Pilat, direct to Park, direct to Cast. And then we ask ourselves, where are the midfielders? Map. When you see defenders, and then you must know there's a problem. It's that's a serious problem. If Mangabe Ukune uzobambi Pola and then ama defenders am flatela ayawoka ayalepambil, then there's a serious problem. 2 midfielders. I don't know what the message from the coach was. You guys, I just want you in the midfield. That's all I want. I didn't see them. She's my attacker. I didn't see them. None of my Chiefs defender. You know, you're frustrated when you know football, when you understand football, and then when you look at a team and the Chiefs that they can do things better, and then I'm very disappointed. But in Shillong have time, I think the Chiefs they will win 1-0. Why in Shoganjalo? Sometimes in the game, sometimes coaches they don't win games, players they win games, and my game we are born players they trying. Players they pushing themselves. Players they need something that confidence. Of which today in Shilong this team I buzz. They've got an upper hand because Abayazi Chiefs with Laranjan. So it Chiefs will carry away Ngalo to about Lalayo. And now goes again. It Chiefs inenhlanhla kuleko. Today, if the Chiefs can do into the right, Chiefs will win. Unfortunately, I'm just hoping because the coach he doesn't have that idea. He needs to prepare his team right. Bega goal Chiefs. Ngishilo masahlele ngathi Chiefs izokora. I can see ama elements where they make ama runs, but ama runs are right. But the problem is they don't have midfielders. Also complement ama pass. So yes, they can make those good runs, and they will like, hey son, midfielders nothing. Now lucky to cross la from kumanyama go because a piece. And then the team azang bakwazi ukucleara kahle yawela ku pillar wide foot wide lento bengisho ngithini ngathi they will go wide again because that's how they play. But they are wide and put across and get a goal. And then it depends mature to the goal.
Yeah, I mean, you know, so you are the most positive person kuma analyst wetu versus Junior in terms of just understanding, like giving Jay Abandu, okay, Chiefs is a winner, blah 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 blah. But even yourself, you are starting to realize there are big problems here. Where I'm going with this is that I don't want people to see 1-0 on their scoreboard somewhere if they get a friend telling them it was 1-0. Yay, there are problems here, and these problems are going to make it very difficult for Chiefs going forward because, like you're saying, you cannot have midfielders whose primary function is to defend. You have to have midfielders who play. There was Unchangasa Namhlanje, Blom, and Agai. Unchanga said the expectation is that he's going to play centrally and then he's going to try and locate Castro, Kamapiliat and Parker. But that didn't happen as well. Now, where is coaching in this? What is the responsibility of coaching in this? Nalendo yoba amajita ukuna tlaipeti bola I am flatela, which is true. You are the one who told me, and I started to see it immediately after that. To go to, can you see that Uitu Melankune, when he has the ball bypasses the defense in midfield and it goes to the forwards every time, and that was the main way that Kaizer Chiefs were attacking. Now, I asked you a question even before we shot this video during the game. Oguti, where is coaching and what is the responsibility of coaching? Or Gavin Hunt, is he happy that these things are happening?
Gulego, mina, I always say Guti, that's when you wanna see your personality when as a coach. My personality as a coach is, mina, I believe Guti, this is how we should play. I personality ka Gavin Hunt akusumuntu ofuna ama players that they can play ufuna ibhola lephambili and then we will see. That's it. Akana i plan uGavin Hunt ukuthi this is how we're going to play. Yabona manje u realize ukuthi I must put Ukune. Why? Ukune my personality, I'm single muntu lo oqala ibola from emuva. Have a build up from emuva, is a midfielder, have a creative midfielder that will get the ball, make those good passes, see ngeno boxing to la goal. No, akusilo muntu lo. Uthi kune fana ke mol bamba ibhola. Ushayele wide. Upegele wide ngaka left upegele ngaka right lapha, or else whoever drop ayo from la bana phambili dropela la middle mshange pass lapha. That's all I want. I don't want to see you Kune playing defense or playing la midfielders. I want you to play the ball la bana phambili. I know ukuthi bola mali lapha, I've got 6 guys behind the ball, so I'm still safe. So manjalo nkuleko I personality ka Gavin Hunt izomfela ku Chiefs. Cool. You know, Gavin Hunt manje Kulego is lucky. Why it is lucky? It's lucky because I'm not Mafenza Stadium. You know, if he be going to Mafenza Stadium, because I'm 100% sure Chiefs supporters are not happy where they are. Even though each Chiefs win, but they will tell you, you know what? See, we be happy. Yes, we're struggling, but Gavin Hunt doesn't give us anything. Now, if you pegi koraban, so is this one alezo unkulekumele bonise now ukuthi something is wrong lapha ku Chiefs. Ku core defender. I Chiefs manga core ngama set pieces, izokora ngama defender. Where are the creative midfielders? Where are the strikers? Ugcine no pack ukora. Ugcine no Castro ukora. You know, we can't have attacking players and strikers who uzokora goal 1 after 10 games. Something is wrong with the coach. I mean, I always say the coach, because the coach will faka lama players laba grounding. Lama players ake zathi coach ngifake ngenkani. No. We come in to decide ukuthi I want to play 6 defenders. Bazimele kanje. I don't want you to play. Kune mfana kithi help me please. Umnandi la nyaweni ngicela wafake nje wena lapha phambili la champion thule, so that when we lose the ball lapha I know ukuthi I've got 6 that they need to hustle and win that ball. Because if uzodlala la middle lane ngembobo, that's what kahle he's saying to me. I've got useless defenders and useless midfielders, so I can't have a build up from the back. It will take time for my opponent to get to Guteteami and get to Ipalin. Ukune playmaker, I'll give him man of the match. Playmaker, last minute. Kulego, when I was crying Ukune, when Kalela Lenta Yenzil last minute. Ukune bonus class. Ukune bonus good team. I know what I'm doing. I've been in this game for years. In a way, Yoguti, I know how to handle certain things. Look, I'm very proud of him, and he must keep up the good work. The body into but the class is always going to be there.
Yeah, I want to dwell on the coaching part, but anyways, we'll shoot hundreds of videos from this point, and we'll always be talking about this until we see improvement. Because when you play the 200,000, you would expect to buy the ball. Yeah, but unless because I was asking you even Okol Alexander Bebe Paul or Monar Bebe Paul, I Pete Vesvets under Kevin Han. So I know what phone is I play with them. But anyways, we'll shoot hundreds of videos and we'll always be remarking about this until we see an improvement. Massive Island daughter, 1-0 away from home. First preliminary round, CAF Champions League, you will always get weaker teams. Today, we saw that. And that's why Pirates and the Sundowns, they're not playing this round because they have better record with CAF, so they get a bye. You're not going to play this lower round. You will play next round. So Kaizer Chiefs 1-0 away from home, an away goal. It's a positive thing. Should we think Uguti, this is done and dusted, Gupelile, and look forward to the next game?
Chiefs have problems, and you could see now the team they're not that dangerous, but we are they pushing, they can force Chiefs to make mistakes like in general penalty. So Chiefs have problems. It's not yet over, but I just wish a good team second leg Chiefs win. Why I wish that in Kulego. Let's look at the Chiefs. The Chiefs are in crisis. They can't sign players. So it means by playing this Champions League, at least if they can get to group stages, they will get money. Then they can buy Gulego. They can get money. And please, listen to me careful. They can get money at the group stages and buy quality, not buy one get free. Chiefs, they need to as full of players figure you are a free agent. Chiefs, that thing must come to an end. That's why now they're struggling about sign players. But if the Chiefs be players 2 season back or 3 season back, even a normal Papa suspend, now Papa in the crisis. Look at the Man City, there's the same problem. But because of they've signed quality, that's why they keep on going. So each Chiefs, I just wish Uguti, in Atlanta, badlali baze bafike kuma group stages. Even though bangadliwa group stages, at least they will get money. Then they can buy quality players that can sustain the team for about 2-3 seasons.
Yeah, I don't even think that they have a money problem because they're such a huge institution, but I get your point. Maybe by getting to the group stages, they could get something. But of course, they only sign in July next year, so they're not going to be able to sign players. And there are people who are saying, rather sacrifice the CAF, and try and survive to top 8 Apekaya. So we'll see how that pans out. But anyways, be that as it may, they will get a strong team in the next few rounds. This one, you could see, this team was struggling. Thank you very much for watching us. Thank you very much to World Sports Betting as well.